Good afternoon and welcome to the Sanderson Center. My name is Patrick Nordine and I have the pleasure of serving as the Director of University Recreation. And we're here today to celebrate the first major renovation of the Sanderson Center since it opened in 1998. So in 1998, when this building opened, that was a really special time for students here at Mississippi State. I was a senior in college that year, and I can say that every student on campus was really excited about this building, and for me, that feeling just hasn't gone away, and it's a feeling that I want to transfer to all the students that come through this building.
We all know that well-being is such a critical part of the student experience, and having a space like this in the Sanderson Center is critical to student success. We know one of the best things that you can do for yourself to feel better, to be well, is to move your body. And we have great places here in this building for that to happen. This isn't the end, Patrick. As we know, there's always a list, right? And we have a much longer list of projects that we'll be tackling in the coming years. And with President Keenum's support, our next big project will be pickleball courts outside of the Sanderson Center.
A pleasure for me to be back here in the Joe Frank Sanderson Recreation Center as we dedicate these new renovations to this wonderful facility. As Patrick mentioned, this facility, as wonderful as it is, well, it's more than a quarter of a century old. I'm absolutely thrilled that we're able to provide this. You know, I was looking at some of the facts, Patrick, about the facility. In addition to all the amenities, I think we've added 40 new exercise machines here as a result of this. And plans to use these ongoing funds to keep our machines up and current and fresh going forward.